Hay mga utanggera at utangero. Kung di ka marunong magbayad, aray, para sa'yo to. Mangungutang ng 1,000, tapos sa Facebook naka-iPhone 15. Utang lang ang ambag, pero gala dito, gala doon. Mangungutang ng pang-emergency, pero sa Shopee pala napunta.
They said they would pay on payday, but even their grandchild's payday has passed, and still nothing.
Always scene zoned when it's time to collect debts, but online when it's time for gossip.
If you are the one hit, pay now, or I might vlog about you again. Bye, debtors!